cos x. First of all, you calculate f of fx. F. What is f of x? 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So what f is doing? Again 1 minus x by 1 plus x divided by 1 plus 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So we get 1 plus x minus 1 minus plus x divided by 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. Finally, we get x. So it clearly indicates that f of f cos x will give you cos x. Okay, even if you put directly cos x, and you can do it. So f of fx is equal to nothing but x. What it actually this indicates, one more thing is very important in this case is f of fx, you got it as x. What this implies? F of x is equal to f inverse x. F of x is equal to f inverse x. It's a very important point. Function and its inverse both are equal.